Hey, what's up guys? My name is Marlo. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about that white residue on your pavers. That's right guys, I know you have white residue on your pavers, and what that is efflorescence. I'm going to show you the most cheapest way to get rid of that efflorescence on your pavers. But pretty much where that comes from is when there's a lot of moisture or a lot of rain that comes down on your pavers. And here in Las Vegas, it like almost never rains. And about 3 weeks ago, it rained here in Vegas, and it caused all these salts to come up on my pavers. So now I got to get rid of it. So I know the cheapest way on how to get rid of it. This is just for like small little areas, pesky areas, right? And what we're gonna do is use ammonia, and I'm gonna show you right now how I get rid of it. And it basically dissolves the efflorescence on impact. And this can help any type of stone, guys. But if you have it like ultimately everywhere, your front driveway, your back driveway, around your pool, I don't recommend using ammonia. I'll show you like a gallon of concentrate to where you can get larger, more areas. But I'm gonna show you how I get rid of efflorescence. So let's get started with the video. All right guys, we're gonna remove efflorescence. We're gonna remove it the most cheapest route, and if you look here, see how it's like a salty substance on top to the pavers here. So I have a few spots, and I only recommend this way that I'm going to show you, right? If you just got little spots like this, so what we're going to use is ammonia. And you're gonna put it into a container like this, and you never want to mix ammonia with any other chemicals ever. So I don't recommend you using ammonia if, let's say, all of your pavers, like a huge area has efflorescence. I'll direct you to a concentrate to where, here, we'll do it right here. And this stuff just dissolves right on impact, guys. And just to help, you just use the scrub brush. Just like that. Let's get this little spot right here. Usually, you'll see it more when it rains, when there's a lot of moisture. But the reason why I'm cleaning my efflorescence is because I'll be sealing these pavers, because you can never get rid of it forever unless you seal your pavers, right, with some type of repellent, right? So if you're new to my channel, I'll create a video on how to seal your pavers. But I just have a little area. Like I said, I don't recommend if all of your pavers have efflorescence. There's this concentrate that you can get. I'll direct you online. It's fairly cheap and inexpensive, and it's concentrate to where you can do large areas and get the job done. But yeah, guys, to prevent this from happening again, you gotta seal your pavers, guys. So I'll show you these areas after it dries. All right, guys, all that efflorescence is gone, guys. All gone, just with that ammonia. All right. Remember, I sprayed over here. All gone. So guys, like I said earlier, if you got a lot of this stuff all over the place, you need a professional grade pump sprayer, and you need that concentrate that I'll direct you to. But I highly recommend this one. Just don't get any cheap sprayer. You want a professional grade one, because these gaskets can uphold the chemicals. So this one is a great one, guys. So thank you for joining me and watching this video. I hope you subscribe, and I'll help you guys out, giving you tips on how to seal your pavers, guys. So we're gonna get off to that. See you guys in the next video.